channel. Today I wanted to show you Lake's nursery. So it's probably my favorite room in the house, and I definitely worked really hard on getting it all done before she came. But I thought it'd be a fun thing to share with you guys, show you all the cute little knickknacks and whatnot that we have in here, and then also share where we got a few of the things, because a lot of people have asked me where some certain pieces are from. So without further ado, here is Lake's nursery. Alright, so this is little Lakey's room. She definitely has a pink theme, if you cannot tell. But we have a lot of stuff in here that we found either at thrift stores or that we got from IKEA or Etsy or online. So I thought I'd just kind of go through and share with you guys what we do have. So these shelves right here are all from IKEA. They're actually in the kids section. I think they were only like $9 each, which is like such a great deal. And then of course she has a ton of books. She has this little giraffe here too. This actually has a really cute story. So my husband had this in their movie room at their house when we were in high school, and they were moving and they were going to get rid of it, and I said, no, I want that. I'm going to put it in my kids' nursery someday. So we held on to it for about like 9 years, and now we have it, and it made its way from California to Oregon. And then right here, honestly, best investment for any baby ever. So if you're having a baby, or if you know someone that's having a baby, get them this noise machine. It is awesome. We got her crib from IKEA. I originally was going to spend a little bit more money on a crib, but I decided that I liked this look best, and it was only $79, so you really can't beat that. These two prints right here are probably my favorite thing in her entire room. She is a rainbow baby, so I thought it was special to incorporate that into her room. And I did get these prints off of Etsy, so I'll link the Etsy page down below. And then I did throw a few little pillows in here. Obviously they're not in here when she sleeps, but I thought they were cute. I got her curtains from TJ Maxx. This pillow, and actually these pillows too, are both from World Market, and then the glider was from Wayfair. We received this cute little swan from Quincy's aunt as a baby shower gift, and it's adorable. I can't wait for her to play on it. She'll probably just sit on it and do cute little stuff all day. I always really wanted to put some greenery in her room, so we just have this little vine here. But I thrifted that basket. This is from Amazon, and that's from Amazon as well. I can link all that down for you below. And then we did kind of want to incorporate a little toy shelf for her. She does have a lot of toys. It's kind of overwhelming, and we probably should have held back on that a little bit, but you know, that's life. So I did thrift this basket. These were also thrifted. All of this has like her little books in them. She loves soft books, so we keep them all in there. And then down here she has some blocks, some wooden toys, more wooden toys. These books are actually amazing. They're all about trailblazing women. So if you have any girls that you want to just be on top of their woman knowledge, get them that. They're adorable books. They're all cartoons, so it's super cute. And this just has a whole bunch of soft toys in it, things you can attach to her play gym and stuff. And then back over here we have this little sheep. It's from Peru from my mom. And then this little angel that I had when I was in college. She has her jewelry box and picture of mom and dad, and then our family photo from the zoo. So cute. And then her bow collection, of course. What girl is complete without a bow collection? Her little Lovey diaper wipe warmer. A lot of people said not to get this, but I actually really like it. We change her in her room a lot, so it makes more sense that way to have it in here. But if you aren't going to be changing your baby in their room, then I totally get it. I also actually thrifted these. These are my favorite thing probably in her entire room. I think they're placemats for like eating dinner and stuff, but I think they're really cute on the wall. I wanted something soft so that if she touches it when she's on her changing pad, it's not going to fall and hurt her. And then last but not least is this IKEA dresser. It originally came with black knobs, but we just went to Home Depot and got some gold ones, but I like them a lot. I think it turned out really cute. And then her rug. Her rug is like my second favorite thing in the entire room. It is from Urban Outfitters. We splurged on it a little bit, but it's my favorite. It's super cute and tribal and adorable. But yeah, this is her room. So you'll start at the left, you see her bookshelves, her bed, her window, her glider, her toys, and then her dresser is on this wall over here. But I thought it was a cute little room, and yeah. Alright guys, well that is her room. If you have any questions on where anything in her room came from, feel free, comment down below. I'll definitely reply to you and let you know where I got it from. Or if you're looking for any suggestions of things to buy people for baby gifts, or if you're looking for any suggestions for yourself, we definitely bought a lot of the things in this room, so I know where we got all of them from. And I have returned a lot of things and also bought a lot of things more than once, so I definitely have a good idea of what good products are out there. So again, any questions, feel free, comment down below. You can also message me on Instagram. I do have photos of her nursery on there, so you can always check on there as well if you want to see just some still frame photos. But yeah, thanks for watching my videos. We are headed to California in just a few days, so we'll be putting her first flight video up. Wish us luck. Hopefully she doesn't lose her mind. But yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, and I will maybe be doing a pack with me for her as well. So keep an eye out for that. But if not, I will see you guys when we post our California trip video. Bye.